everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to install and configure our DHCP server. So first thing we need to do is to head over to our server manager. On our server, we're going to select add rules and features. We're going to select next. We're going to leave all the default settings as it is. Like I said in my previous video, you can select if you want a virtual hard disk or a server from the server pool. I'm just going to use my server here. I'm going to select next. And I'm going to add DHCP server. I'm going to select it and select add features. I'm going to select next. I'm going to leave all the default settings as it is. Select next, install. Our installation is successful. I'm going to select close and I'm going to head over to our flag icon. I'm going to select it and I'm going to select complete DHCP configuration. I'm going to select next. I'm going to leave the default settings as it is, but I'm going to select commit. And I'm going to select close. Now we're going to set up our scope, but to do this we will have to configure our DHCP. So we're going to select tools, which is right on top here, and then we're going to select DHCP. We're going to expand our server options and select IPv4. We're going to go to action and we're going to select new scope. And select next. Name is something that's easy to remember. I'm going to name it server scope. And select next. Our start IP address, I'm going to use the same IP address that I use for my server, 192.168.0.1, as well as the end IP address will be 192.168.0.1. I'm going to select next, So you can set the days as much as you want. I'm just going to leave it as 8 days. I'm going to select next, and finish. So we're now going to head over to our client. We're going to set up the server on our client machine. So we're going to go to our control panel. We're going to select network and internet. We're going to select network and sharing center. We're going to select Ethernet. We're going to go to properties. We're then being prompted to enter our username and password. It will be the same administrator and the password that goes with it. We're going to go to TCP/IPv4. We're going to select properties. We're going to choose our options to obtain an IP address automatically. We're going to select OK. We're going to select close. As you can see, it is identifying. Once it identifies, it's done. It has identified a public network. We can now test this network. Let's head over to our command prompt. We're going to enter IP config \all. And as we can see in our options here, DHCP enabled is yes. So you have successfully installed and configured your DHCP server. You did it! Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to hit that like button, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye guys!